You know, like most people, they're usually interested in skating, but they really don't know what to do. These are some of the reasons why you have tried skating and you failed. The first reason why you cannot skate: wrong skating shoes. It's your first day skating and you want to start with a big skate, like a tri-skate. Anyone can skate if you really get proper guidance and a good coach. So reason number 2 why you can't skate is you're pointing your feet out. When I mean you're pointing your feet out, I don't know if Job can get this shot. This is how you're pointing your feet. Like if you're pointing your feet like this, if you are a beginner, me I'm a pro, if you're a beginner, this is what you will do. Hey, that's what you're going to do. So again, if you point your feet wrong like this, if you go, it will keep on going. But since you don't know how to curve it, for instance, this is you will go until a point where you make like something like a split and you fall down. Reason number 3 is how can I related to reason number 2? I can say reason number 3 is your V shape, the way you are placing your leg. This reason just like this point coordinate with the other point. Like when you're putting your V shape, as I say, it's supposed to be a small V shape. If you put it too wide, you cannot skate if you are a beginner. But the moment you become pro, the moment you keep on practicing, even if there are things that you can do if you are a pro, but if you are a beginner, you can't make a wider V. These are some of the reasons most people don't find it very hard, because now you see, like it's kind of hard for them to move around if you put your leg like that. Reason number 4, we have reason number 4. Reason number 4 says that most people don't know how their skates work. Like for instance, even me personally, like if I put on the speed boot, the speed boot is like this one. This is the speed boot. This is the speed boot. If for reason, like for me, if I put on the speed boot, there are some things that I cannot do and I know how to skate. So imagine if you're a beginner and you put on, let's say my tri-skate. This is like a basic urban skating, like urban skates. If you put on this type of skate and you really don't know how it works, it's going to be really hard for you to maneuver around and know your way around. You are not bending your knees. That's the reason number 4. You are not bending your knees. There's a video we did, this video here, when you are sprinting. I said you sprint, you have to go low. You can't sprint like this. You have to go low. So now the reason we are going low, look, you go low and you are bending your knees. You can't go low like this. You get that? That's the reason what I'm telling you. Most people put on the skates and they want to maintain this position. I don't know if you can get this.
They are stiff.
They are very stiff. You cannot do this.
You cannot breathe.
It's not even comfortable for you. But imagine this is your first time, you bend a little bit and you just maneuver easily. There's that comfort, there's that little comfort that you have that makes you maneuver easily. So every time you put on your skate, make sure, even if you're a pro, you have to bend your knees. I don't think there's a point where unless we are resting, we can just chill a little bit, you know. Yeah, but if you want to really skate, you have to bend your knees. Bend it.